What if building wealth wasn't a mystery, but a map? Ever feel like some people seem to just get money, while others stay stuck no matter how hard they work? The truth? It's not luck. It's not privilege. It is that wealthy people understand the stages of wealth, and most others were never taught the roadmap. In this video, I'll walk you through the 7 real levels of financial independence, from total struggle to complete freedom, with specific net worth markers, saving habits, income types, and what it really takes to move up. If you've ever asked yourself, where am I financially and how do I go further? This is your answer. The ladder of wealth. Overview. Picture wealth like a ladder. Each level demands more discipline, better habits, and smarter decisions, but each step brings more freedom. The 7 levels we'll break down are: Level 1, financial struggle. Level 2, solvency level. 3, stability level. 4, security level. 5, independence. Level 6, freedom. Level 7, abundance and legacy. Let's break down each one, with real net worth ranges, savings rates, and strategic actions to climb higher. Level 1, financial struggle. This is where money controls you, not the other way around. Net worth, below $0, savings rate, 0% or negative income, single source, possibly unstable bills are late. Emergencies feel like disasters, credit cards are your safety net. Action step, focus on stopping the bleeding. Build a $500, $1,000 emergency buffer. Cut unnecessary expenses. Any forward progress is a win. Level 2, solvency. You're finally stable, but not thriving. Net worth, $0 to $10,000 savings rate, 5 to 10% debt. Under control, no new high-interest balances. You're earning enough to cover expenses. You're not adding debt. You're no longer drowning. Goal, build momentum, automate savings, set up a real emergency fund. This is your foundation stage. Level 3, stability, you're finally breathing room. Net worth, $10,000 to $100,000 savings rate, 10 to 20% habits, budgeting, contributing to 401k or IRA. You're saving consistently. You have insurance. Emergencies don't derail you. Trap, this is where many people coast. Next move, focus on income growth, not just cutting expenses. Use this stage to build wealth, not just maintain comfort. Level 4, security. Now you're making real progress. Net worth, 100k, 500k, savings rate, 15-25%. Debt, paid off, except maybe a mortgage. Investments, showing growth. You have financial systems in place. Your money is working. You sleep better at night. Challenge. Don't confuse comfort with freedom. This is the time to start thinking like an investor, not just a saver. Level 5, independence. Your assets can now cover your essential living expenses. Net worth, 500k, 1.5 meters income. Active, plus passive work. Optional, not necessary. This is the financial independence stage, what FIRE movement chases. You could quit your job and still pay the bills. Now's the time to master tax efficiency, withdrawal planning, and protecting what you've built. Level 6, freedom. Wealth now funds your lifestyle, not just survival. Net worth, 1.5 million income streams. Multiple time, yours to control. You can travel, say no to things, support others. Work is fully optional. Focus shifts from money to meaning. Start creating rhythm, purpose, and long-term fulfillment. Level 7, abundance and legacy. You have more than enough, and now it's about impact. Net worth, 5MD plus. Focus, generational wealth, philanthropy, legacy. You might build a foundation, fund scholarships, mentor others, or create a family trust. True wealth isn't what you keep, it's what you pass on. Start thinking about legacy earlier than you think. So, where are you on this ladder? Are you just getting started or further along than you thought? Drop a comment with your current stage. I read everyone and reply to as many as I can. If this gave you clarity or motivation, please hit the like button. It helps more people find this and level up. Subscribe for more content on money, investing, wealth strategies, and how to build financial independence from scratch.